Good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. This is the Battle of LaSalle Green Hills versus the Xavier School. Once again sa ating Paya Basketball League. And shout out kay Coach Jolson Villegas.
Let's go, boys. Real.
First ball, mapupunta sa LaSalle Green Hills.
Nice one. Nice one, Randy.
Evangelista.
Nice one, Randy.
Wow. Ng LaSalle Green Hills. Steal again, number 23. A strong drive, no good. Evangelista, and there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 20, Evangelista. Basketball, no good. Defensive rebound. Another steal. Hardcover. Number 20. Binigay sa corner. Back to number 20. Number 16. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta sa mga green shirt. Number 13. No good. Number 13 again. And there's a foul. Natin ang hadal ng LaSalle Green Hills. And good morning po sa lahat. Okay, one shot basket by jersey number 8. Oh, sorry, that's number 13. Second shot is good by number 13. 8 minutes and 31 seconds. Xavier School basketball, another steal. Number 13 all the way basket. If I'm not mistaken, that is Lanaria. Number 3 up and under, no good. Rebound by pass to number 13. Oh, no good. Rebound. Steal para sa LaSalle. Number 38, sidestep. What an extra pass. Oy, no good. Rebound by number 16. Another steal by Lanaria to number 48. 23 rather. Out of bounds. Lamang ang mga na-agree. Number 5, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Evangelista. Number 28, pass to Lanaria. Number 23 to number 3. Number 3 sa malaksak. Out of bounds. Oh, sorry, that's Labayani. Labayani maglalabas ng bola. Pass to number 23. That's a traveling violation. Ayun na, number 16. Stop and pump. No good. Offensive rebound para sa Xavier. Number 15. To number 5, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Labayani. Sorry, that's Labayani sa loob. Number 38. Basket is good. Number 15. Block by Evangelista. Number 13. Pinasa loob. Number 30, no good. Number 16 rather. And out of bounds. Still. What a hassle there. What an extra pass, blocked by Evangelista. Number 13 to number 23. Yes, sir.
Pasa! Nice one.
Number 11, no good. Rebound by number 13. Evangelista. See. Number 20, basket.
Nice pass. One more.
What an extra pass. Number 16. Number 15. Ooh, out of bounds. Bola ng Xavier. Number 11 to number 28. Binigay sa corner. Number 11. Oh, trail. Ay na ang Lasal. Number 23. Labayani. Kick out to Evangelista. Evangelista with a strong drive. Sayang pagkakataon na doon ng Xavier. Ayun na, number 15. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound, number 15. Jump shot, no good. Gobeng Huy, steal by Evangelista. Number 23, binigay. Labayani with a strong drive. Basket is good by number 13. Number 16. 4-3, no good. The rebound. And out of bounds. Bola rito ng Xavier. Number 3 to number 4. Pass to number 3. To number 11. Basket. That is Teng. And 1. Ang time remaining po natin. 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Ayan. First shot is good. Sa Xavier School. Rase. Back to number 63. Evangelista with a strong drive and 1. Basket count and 1 by Evangelista. Basket. Gobeng Huy. Oh, bad pass. Naka-recover. Rase. Wilson with a steal. Ayun na. Number 4, handoff to Wilson. Steal by Rase. Steal by Wilson. Wilson. To Gobeng Huy. Steal by Evangelista. Outlet pass to number 8. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Gobeng Huy. Number 11. Ooh, there is a foul. Minute and 56 seconds. Pinas sa corner, 4-3, short. Time out. Time out, Xavier.
Nice foul.
Shooting in the line of jersey number 28, Wilson.
Make one. Let's go, Cam.
Second shot para kay Wilson. Wilson, no good. Number 63. Pass number 10 to number 8. Number 66. Rasep, pass to number 8. Tumiran, no good. Rebound by number 10. Block. Number 10 again, no good. And that's a 24-second shot violation. Bola dito ng Xavier. Wilson, there's a foul. Para kay Castro. Basket is good para kay Wilson. Second shot by Wilson, no good. What a save. Wilson, may taka na bola. Pass number 4 to number 11. Spin move. Tumira. Yes, sir. Number 11. There's a foul. Two shots by jersey number 8. Basket is good. Basket. Assisted by number 66. Ayan na, steal again para sa Lasal. Floater, basket yan. Steal again, number 66. Oh! Back-to-back basket para kay number 66. Wilson, may taka ng bola. Ay na, number 22, and there's a foul. Time remaining, last 10 seconds. Remaining. Number 22, no good. Rebound number. Ay na ang Lasal. Bad pass.
Second.
Shot of class kay Coach Dick. Number 5. Number 30. Oh! Nakababol pa. Hindi gumagali oras. Di nagalaw, counted yun, counted. Di nagalaw. Oo, counted mo. Di lang ano. Ayan, shout out the champion coach. Coach! Hey, shout. Tapos na malalaban niyo, coach? Second game kayo kanina? Tapos na? Oh, sayang. Hindi ko nakita. Okay, nice game. Congrats, coach. Ayan, Coach Dick Dawet. O pa. Don Bosco Makati. And congratulations, panalo sila sa kanilang second game kanina. Okay, hindi ko napindot. Alright, official score 27-9 ang ating sa pagtatapos ng first quarter. Muna tayo sa second quarter. And once again, congratulations Team Don Bosco Makati for winning the game kanina. Shout out kay Coach D. And kila Acorda, Fenomeno. And shout out sa pamilya Acorda, Zaraspe. Ayan, Edades. Ayan, yung mga na-live natin na future na-cover natin yung last season ng palarong pambansa. Sila ang nag-champion sa NCR. NCR and sa ano yun? Norte. Sa Ilocos. Ayan, second quarter. Here we go. Let's go. Habol tayo, Xavier. 27-9. Number 30. Randall kick out. Number 26. Oy, no good. Number 29 and 1. Basket is good.
Nice one, Gamba. Nice one.
Foul.
Keep fighting.
On the free throw area, jersey number 22. No good. Rebound. Ay na, triple team. Oy, munti ka na magawan. Number 22, floater, wala. Steal. Number 22. Guys, sa corner, 4-3. Number 26. Oh, there's a foul. Number 8. On the free throw area, number 26, Gamba. First shot para kay Gamba. That's 8 seconds violation.
Keep fighting. Uno, let's go. Keep fighting.
Yan. Pass to Gamba. Gamba, sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by number 3.
Julian.
Pass to number 66. Rase, binigay sa corner. Number 3. Oh, there's a foul. Substitution. Gamba.
Nice one. Nice pass.
Number 11. There's a foul. Number 11 on the free throw area. Basket. Steal. Number 10.
Put it. Nice one. No. Nice one. Inside it. Nice one. Nice one. Let's go. Team ball. Uno. Nine. Team ball. Nine.
Jump shot, no good.
Nice one.
Rebound by number 16 to Gamba.
Swing. Uno.
Wilson to Tan for 3, no good. Offensive rebound. Santos. Big guy sa corner for 3. Short. Number 11. Wala. Oh, foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 11. Basket. Outlet pass, Santos. Oh, no good. Rebound by number 16. Boys. Mark over. Oopsie, nakalusot. Number 30, drop pass. Bengoy!
Nice pass.
Ay na, mahabol na ang Xavier. Another steal. Number 11.
Go, David, uno.
Oh, steal. 8 seconds, violation. Stop and pump, no good. Rebound, number 8. Pass to number 3. Number 3, side step. Uy, wala. Rebound by Evangelista. Ooh. Out of bounds. Evangelista sa loob. There's a foul. Number 8, 23. Stop and pump. Whoa, swak na swak. 30 to number 63. Kick out. Up and under. Uy, what a pass there! Grabe naman yun. Number 3. There's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Okay, shooting on the line. Jersey number 3. No good. Number 3. Basket is good. Pass to number 63. Tawag ang ating referee, Evangelista. Still, number 38, block. Number 23, wala pa rin. Good defense. Para sa Xavier. Number 11. Bigay sa corner. What a pass. Coulter, no good. Rebound. Mga naka-green shirt. Number 38. Uy, no good. Rebound number 16.
Balik, uno. Nice one, goal.
Floater by Wilson. No good. Evangelista. Another steal by Evangelista. Number 38, 4-3. No good. Number 3, nagmamadali. Uy, no good. Uy, may hawi. Kitang-kita. Foul. Who's foul, right? Shooting on the line, jersey number 15. Number 15, no good. Bola ng Xavier. Ngo. Pinasa loob, number 16 to number 3. Number 3, tumira, no good. Rebound by Evangelista. Out and pass. Sumalaksak, up and under, no good. And out of bounds. Steal number 63 with a strong drive, no good. Rebound number 23 again. Floater basket. Free outlet pass. Oh, there's a foul.
Ball.
First shot is good. I know. Oh. No good. Rebound number 23. Offensive rebound by Wilson. No good. Rebound ng Green Hills. Lasal. Number 23. Sumalaksak. No good. Makukuha ni number 63. Crossover. Oy, good shot. There's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 28, Wilson. No good. Second shot para kay Wilson. Wilson, basket. 20-41 ang ating talaan. Evangelista, number 22. Bounce pass number 38. Guy, Wilson. Uy, bumangga sa pader. Kay Evangelista, outlet pass. Number 23, sumaksak. And there's a foul. Aristagle. Tagle on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Tagle. Tagle, no good. Wilson. Bad pass, steal by Evangelista. Para extra pass to number 22. No good. Number 23. No good. Makukuha ng Xavier. Oh, steal. Steal by number 12. Bad pass. Last 27 seconds remaining. Steal by number 22. Another steal by Wilson. Wilson, extra pass. Going away to number 11. Number 38, reverse layup. Nakalusot doon. Okay, end of the first half. Official score, 46-22. In favor of LaSalle Green Hills. Ayan, tingnan naman natin ang huddle ng Xavier. For the meantime, magkakat po muna tayo ng ating live. Ito pa ang ating official score natin, 48-22 at the half.